Hey friends, before I show you how to do a tutorial of this look, I will have a little ad for you. There's a makeup brand called Struggle Cosmetics, and I have recently gained an affiliate code. You can use the code HI, all caps, HILLARY at their website. There'll be a link down below, and to save money on your purchase. And I got one of their lovely lip glosses in the code Nebula, which is number 11, and I'm just gonna swatch this on my hand for you real quick so you can see it. It's so pretty. Like I love lip glosses because I can just like I wear one probably every day that I'm not like doing like a makeup look, and I love this. I get full coverage just one swipe. And they also have some of the most beautiful palettes and liquid lipsticks that I have seen. So that is code all caps Hillary, link down below to their website. Now let's get on with the video. Hello friends, bienvenidos, and if you're new here, hajime. My name is Hillary. So for today, if you remember 2 videos ago, I did the Epcot inspired lip art, which is my first lip art ever, and I really liked how that turned out. I think you guys did too. So I want to kind of continue it and do like lip art for each one of the parks at Disney. So today I will be doing lip art inspired by the Magic Kingdom. So my idea for today is kind of put like sunset colors down and then draw the silhouette of the Disney castle on top with black eyeliner. So to start off, to get the eyeshadow to stick to my lips, I have this like primer that I got, so I'm just gonna put that all over my lips to hopefully get the eyeshadow to stay. Okay, now to go in with the eyeshadows, I'm using this Galaxy Chic palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna start with like a kind of like dark bluish purple up top and then work my way down. So I'm just taking the darkest blue that is in the palette and I'm just gonna put that towards my Cupid's bow. Really making sure to pack that color there and then bring it down a little bit to blend it with the next color. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the light blue mixed with the purple color that is in this palette. And now I'm going to go in with a mix of the red and orange color in this palette and put that as far down as the bottom as I can. Okay, now to actually sketch the castle on, I'm using this lip pencil to kind of like sketch it on, and I have a silhouette picture of the castle pulled up that I'm using for reference, and now I'm just going to try to start copying the picture onto my lips. Okay, so since I put the eyeshadow down and now I'm trying to use this, it's not really showing up, it's just kind of like picking up the eyeshadow that's below it. So I think I will use my black liquid liner and try to like very just lightly sketch some basic shapes, and if I like mess up, I'm just gonna wipe it off and then put the eyeshadow back and then do it again. So we'll see how this goes. Now I'm just gonna clean up any places where I might have went like outside my lips with a makeup wipe and fill in any less details with my eyeliner. So my final idea for this look was to put little clouds in the sky. So I have this white liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna talk you guys through how I do the first cloud, and then I'll do the rest by myself. So I'm gonna put one over here. So first we just want to make the shape of the clouds that we want. And then to kind of make it blend, I'm gonna use my finger and tap. So there we go. I'm just gonna do maybe one or two more over here, and then I'll be right back. So the castle, as you can see, like the liner isn't really covering up all of the shine that is like below it, and I really want there to be like a difference between like the matte castle and like the shiny background. So I have this Pot Maleficent palette that's very dark, as you can see, and I'm taking this black eyeshadow and just gonna try to set down the castle and really make it matte. So I do really like how that turned out, and now I'm just gonna go back and define the edges with my eyeliner. Okay, this is awesome. That really helped make it look like how I wanted it to look. So just like with the Epcot look, I did an eyeshadow look inspired by it, so I'm going to do the same thing here. This is just a quick little look I had on to match what I was wearing. So I'm going to take this off, and then I'll be right back to tell you about the look. So kind of like I also did my base off camera because I forgot to do it before recording, so that's done now too. So I want to, for the eyeshadow look, I want to have like the same color scheme as like the sunset that I did down below. So starting out with that orange color that I used, I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye. So I said this in a previous video, but the palette that I'm using, the Galaxy Chic one, is all shimmer shades, and it's very hard to create like a pretty look using a palette that is all shimmer shades, because it's hard to get like dimension when everything is just the same formula, you know. So even though I do like the palette, it's very hard to create like a look using only that. So now I'm just using my James Charles palette, and I'm going in with the light purple that he has, blending out that orange color. And now starting to fade that light purple into the darker purple color. And now taking the dark blue in his palette and really getting that outer V and blending that out. I'm just gonna off camera repeat this process on my other eye. So now that that's done, I want to mimic the clouds that I did up here over in the blue and purple areas in my eyes on the outer corners. So I'm just gonna do the same process that I did for those clouds on my eye. So now this is how it looks so far, and to finish it off, I'm going to put black mascara on my top lashes and my blue mascara on my lower lashes. So I'll be right back. I'm going to do that off camera. So I think this is the final look. Tell me what you guys think down below. Do you enjoy this Disney Park lip art series or not? Yeah, follow me on Instagram. There'll be a link down below. That's where I will be posting pictures of this look on the day that this video comes out. And also, don't forget to use code Hillary, that's capital HILLARY, at Struggle Cosmetics. There'll be a link down in the description below for their website. So, thank you guys so much for watching as always. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, ring that bell if you want to get notified for every time I upload a video, and I think that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!